Video ads are a crucial part of our marketing efforts when we do dropshipping. So in this video, I'm going to show you what's not to do and what you should do in order to get better results in your next Facebook or TikTok campaign. So let's start, and I want to show you an example of what not to do. Okay, let's look at this video. I found it in some Facebook ad. So first of all, it's the same music. I'm not sure that you can hear this music now, but it's basically the same elevator music that you probably know. Very general, very boring video of just showing the product features without any emotions, without any creative thinking on how to make the video, how to touch the spots that needs to be touched in our consumers' mind, heart, and feelings. There's nothing about that going on in this video. It's just a boring video with showing the features of the product. And I see a lot of people just take a video from AliExpress or something and just put some music on it and run ads and hope that things will be okay and they will make a bunch of sales. But this is not working anymore. These types of videos were working great 6 years ago, okay? In this time of age, we need to use different types of videos. And the best ones that I see in my stores and my students also is UGC content and even mixed UGC content with marketing content. UGC is user-generated content. Basically, we let our consumers, our buyers, our clients to create the content for us. And this is very authentical. And the people that see the ad can relate to the product. Let me show you an example. Okay, so this video is a mixed version of a marketing video and UGC content video. And let me show you. So what we can see here is unboxing of the product. Before we saw someone using the product, and we also saw some kind of a testimonial, a mix of a testimonial with some promotion text. And this is a very great way to start the video. And then we see the unboxing part of the video. And we can see some marketing elements that shows what is probably the pain points of the audience. When we promote, we want to touch some of the pain points. We need to understand what the audience needs to solve in order to achieve their goals. And our product is just the vehicle to get there. So what we saw now was great. We can also see a demonstration of how the product is working in a very clear way. Another promotional. And this part now is, again, is UGC content. And we can see the customers of this brand promoting the product, basically. And they also touch the pain points and what the audience needs to hear because they use the product. So they talk about how the product is stretching and the colors and everything because they are the buyers. They know what other buyers are looking for. And this is the best way to promote products. She talked about the fact that you can't see through those clothes. Basically, if a woman puts this shaper clothes, no one can see it, which is a massive pain for people that use this product. They don't want other people to see these clothes. So this is what happens when you understand your buyer's needs and you don't just take some random video from AliExpress or whatever and just try to sell stuff. You need to understand what your future customer needs to solve. So in this section of the video, what we just saw is basically a lot of trust, stars and 16,000 reviews, and everything that these women are saying is basically just trust sentences like, I guarantee that it will be great for you too, and blah, blah, blah. Because in this part of the video, what this advertiser wants to do, they want to create trust because no one will buy from you if they don't trust you. Okay, so basically what I wanted to show you in this video is that it's very simple to create high quality videos. And when I'm talking about quality, I'm not talking about going to some fancy studio and blah, blah, blah. No, quality for me is if this video can achieve my goals as an advertiser. This is the quality standard for me. So if you use your clients to create content, and if you understand the pain points of your audience, and you understand what they need to do in order to achieve their goals, your marketing will be much, much better, and you will see better ROI on your campaigns and all your marketing efforts in your dropshipping store. If you like this video, you can also subscribe to our channel and check out other videos that we have here. Thank you very much. See you next time.